Okay, hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to install our first free SSL certificate on our domain. Now we get free certificates, SSL certificates, for all the domains that we host with SiteGround. But right now we just have the one. So we've logged into SiteGround. We're on the Home tab. We're going to go over to the My Accounts tab. And in here, we're going to access our cPanel. Now they recommend accessing cPanel securely, and to do so, make sure that the Access cPanel Securely tick a box is checked like it's here. Once you've done that, you click on Access cPanel. And here we are in our cPanel and for our wpfunneldemo.com. Now we're going to scroll down to Security. And under the Security tab, there is a Let's Encrypt icon. And we're going to click on that. And here we are in our SiteGround. It is our Let's Encrypt is a new certificate authority. It's free, automated, and open. Okay, and it tells you right here about a little bit about Let's Encrypt. But what we do is right now we have no certificates installed on our account. So we've clicked through to Let's Encrypt. And on this page, we can select from here on a drop-down what domain we want to add a certificate. Of course, we only have the one domain right now. We have to put in our email, and it automatically pre-populates the email we used to sign up for SiteGround. And then we click Install. And that's it. We click OK, and there you go, just like that. Now, if you've ever tried to install an SSL certificate on your own, you know it can be quite complicated trying to do all the proper steps. This makes it so easy. And what happens is there's an installed certificate on www.wpfunneldemo.com. It's active. Renewal date 6/20. What these free SSL certificates do is they renew every 90 days. And if you want to look, you can look at the details of your certificate. And this is all the information. This is the kind of stuff you would have had to deal with copying and pasting around. But guess what? In this case, all you had to do is do a drop down, an email, and an install. Now, you can cancel it if you want, though I don't know why you would, but this is all that's needed. And now let's take a look and see if our certificate is actually in place. Okay, now we've come to the browser and we've put in HTTPS with the www.wpfunneldemo.com to check if it will go to a secure version of our website. We hit enter. And look at that. We just installed our free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. And when we type in HTTPS with www.wpfunneldemo.com, it comes up as secure. And now we look at the information and we see your information is private when it is sent to this site. Google Chrome is showing our site as secure. Now, if we didn't have that certificate, it would show it as HTTP and it would show it as not secure. This is very important for your website. No matter what you do moving forward, Google and Firefox will eventually flag sites that do not have HTTPS. They will actually say the site is insecure. So this is very, very important. Before you do anything else, make sure to set up your SSL certificate. So now we have our installed certificate on wpfunneldemo.com. If you add more domains, it's as simple as coming back here and that new domains will be added in the drop-down and they'll be right here. And then you can add them in, do the same thing, use the same email as your email account and add them back in. And there you go. And that's as simple as it is to install a free SSL Let's Encrypt certificate on your new domain. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.